Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert text box in MS Word document. So friends, if you want to use and add text box in your MS Word document, so firstly click on insert. Now click on text box. Here is the option and select text box as your requirement like simple text box, and there are another text box like sidebar, banded sidebar, and also friends you can throw text box. So it's simple text box, just click on it. Now edit text as your choice and requirement. Click on insert text box. It's like sidebar text box, and it has a ready template. Only you use your sidebar title and text. And also friends, here are some options like you can change shape outline, you can change shape fill, so as a color. That's it. So friends, hopefully you like this video, and by this very simple and basic video we can know how to insert text box in MS Word document. Hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more useful videos.